This is the start of the boat ride from Little Corn Island to Big Corn Island in Upanga. And here you see the unsuspecting tourists before the ride. So we have to carry our luggage through the jungle here. Here's our luggage boys. We lost a bag, we're starting up again. Here comes everyone. There they go.
Wait, I want to do like that girl.
Oh, there you go. So you can see they put people in what looks like a cow pen, like livestock. This is a foreshadowing of what is to come. As they take a boat that holds 25 and put 50 on it. Here they are right there. Our bags have arrived safely and we're ready to go. Aaron, about to get on this boat like cattle. Your own destiny goes in someone else's hands who you don't know.
I think that's a lot of times in life.
Oh, that is. That's a good philosophy. Okay, this is what we're going to cram onto. Notice the seating capacity. Limited. So we are really squished, and we're starting up. Our captain's back there somewhere. There he is. Okay, the boat's starting to rock. So far, so good. Corbett really wanted a little more action than we're getting right now.
I feel really good. I'm happy.
Yeah. I wanted to throw my hands up in the air like I don't have a
taking a
head.
hit.
Yeah, Shelby and Aaron are looking like wet dogs. There's Aaron over there. Start with my sister here. How do you feel about taking your second Tonga ride?
This is not my worst nightmare ever. My worst nightmare
than this.
doing this at night.
Ooh, that would be bad.
This is my
Okay,
second worst nightmare ever.
But you did. I thought it was fun.
Okay, I think it was fun too. So Laura, what do you think about your second Tonga ride? Well, surprisingly, I don't like roller coasters and things like this, but I loved it.